Hi friends, welcome to the Magic Rainbow Classroom. I'm Daniel, and I'm so excited to learn with you today. Look at this! Our magic blackboard will help us learn about colors and shapes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's our first color, red. Can you say red? Red. Red like an apple. Say it with me. Red! Next is blue. Look at the blue sky, a big blue whale, and blue blocks. Say it with me. Blue, blue. Let's say them all together. R-E-D, red, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, green, green. You're doing amazing. Great job, friends. Now let's learn some shapes. This is a circle. Say it with me. Circle. A cookie is a circle. A ball is a circle. Say it again. Circle. Now this is a triangle. Let's say it together. Triangle. Pizza is a triangle. Say it one more time. Triangle. Now, let's say all the shapes. Circle, triangle, square, star. You're so smart. Let's play a game. I'll say a color and a shape, and you find it. Ready? Find the red circle. What does it look like? Yes, it's an apple. Say it with me. Red circle. You're so good at this. Let's try one more. Green triangle. What does it look like? That's right, it's a tree. Wow, you were amazing today. We learned about colors, red, blue, yellow, green, and shapes, circle, triangle, square, star. This is your rainbow badge for being such a great learner. Give yourself a big clap. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time in the Magic Rainbow Classroom. Bye-bye.